In a bid to tap the Indian market, Destination Canada brands 200 radio taxis as a part of their marketing strategy.
We want to continue to brand Canada as the premier choice of outbound tourism from India. Having 200 taxi cabs going around India with the Canada brand on it, I think will be very, very positive.
We've got a total of 200 taxis that we've branded, and we're going to be branding them for the whole month of December. Also, we do a lot of promotions with our travel industry partners here in India. We had nearly 190,000 Indian travellers come to Canada.
Their taxis are also booted with brochures promoting sample itineraries, Canadian signature experiences, shopping and adventure.
Canada as a name, keep exploring. It's going to really catch attention around the streets of Delhi.
Furthermore, to create awareness about Canada, they also branded Select City Walk Mall to celebrate winter.
The opportunity to bring Indian tourists to Canada is something that promotes two-way engagement.
We've been doing a lot of promotion with the travel trade. Thanks to them, we have shown a growth of close to 10%. So it gives a good opportunity for consumers to see. And we have agents over here who are selling packages. So it's working with the agents, and at the same time, we want to go to the consumers.
Is what is going to cause the footfall in our shops. And we are all geared up with the Canada Specialist programs and various other educational things that Canada has done till now. And we are very positive about Canada numbers to be increased next year.
I think it's a great partnership. We are delighted that Canada Tourism has chosen Select City Walk for this promotion.
Ceremonially inaugurated by Canadian High Commissioner to India, Nader Patel, the campaign will run for a month.
I have a dream of, visiting the Canada.
It's too cool there. I would like to experience it.
I love wildlife, and polar bears is something that I've always wanted to see.
The first thing which I saw while entering was the branding.
It's pretty catchy, and definitely I'd like to go to Canada after seeing them.
It's everywhere, very visible, and it's actually making me interested in Canada. I would love to go there and see how it is now.